And welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video I am going to show how you can install and run Ruby programming software in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video I am going to show how you can install and run Ruby programming software in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So basically Ruby is an programming software, and in this video I'm going to show how you can use it in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So first of all you have to download an application called Exagear Windows Emulator. So basically this is the emulator application. While using this software you can install any PC software in your Android, and the downloading in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Ruby software. As you can see, this is the Ruby installer, the downloading in the description. Now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. You have to click on the three lines, you have to click on the manage containers, you have to click on the you have to run Explorer. So it will going to start the application, and it will going to launch the desktop of this Android emulator application. So as you can see, this is the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So it will be in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, this is the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application. And after downloading, make sure the setup file is in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because Exagear will only going to access the download folder of your Android internal storage. So as you can see, this is the file manager of the Exagear, and this is the D drive, and as you can see, this is the all the files of the download folder. Now you can see this is the Ruby installer devkit 2.7.7.1 32-bit. So make sure every software you install in the Exagear is only 32-bit. 64-bit will not going to support in this Exagear Windows Emulator application, because we are installing that software in the Android phone, and mostly softwares won't support the Android phone. So as you can see, now you have to click on the as you can see, this is the Ruby installer setup file. Now I'm going to click on the open. So I'm going to install it here. Before using, you have to install the software like we do in the PC. So as you can see, the setup has been the installation process has been started, and it will saying I agree license. Let me just click to next, click to install. So you have to click on the next. So as you can see, the Ruby setup file has been installing over here. So it will going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video and come back after it's fully installed. So as you can see in the screen, the Ruby software has been successfully installed. So I'm going to just uncheck the run after installing. Let me just click to finish. Now I'm going to open the software from the start button. So I'm going to hide the status bar of this Exagear Windows Emulator application. I'm going to just click on the start button and click to programs. And as you can see, this Ruby software has been appearing here. Now I'm going to click on the interactive Ruby. So as you can see, this is the Ruby programming software has been successfully installed and open up here. If you know about the software, you can use it, and let me know in the comments is fully working or not. If you're getting any problem, comment down below. I will try to fix your problem. So as you can see, this is the Ruby programming software successfully installed and open up here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have a question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.